Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome back to My Happiness, the Brie Beauty. I'm Joita, and today we are going to talk about health and nutrition. Before starting the video, I want to be a little honest with you guys that during this lockdown, I became super lazy and I was not concentrating on my health. I was not taking my proper diet, and so I faced a lot of weight gain issues. Now, I'm not telling that, gaining a lot of weight, I felt bad, but definitely when I was not fitting into my favorite clothes, I was feeling a little guilty because that happened because of my mood swings, because of being lazy, not doing proper workout, and having a lot of stress for many unwanted reasons. Now definitely I wanted to get back on track, and my husband made me understand that these hardships or situations are just a part of life, and you just need to cope up with this thing. Now he is a very much health fitness person. He loves taking care of his health, even mine and my daughter, and he was trying to empower me. He was trying to make me energetic, feel energetic. So he was telling me that I must incorporate some nutritional drink into my life. Now whenever we hear about some nutritional drink, we become very much skeptical. We feel that no, without consulting a doctor we must not consume that. But trust me guys, I have a friend who is a fitness influencer, and I have spoken to her in detail about a product which I'm going to talk about today. And she recommended that before getting that product into your life, just go to a website, read the description, read the things in proper, then only you get a full picture that how and why you should incorporate a nutritional drink into your life. So the product today we are going to talk about is Just Her Protein. Now this brand that is called Just Her, they have lots of products for protein. They have product for weight management, for hair and skin, which is called biotin, and many more things. I'll share their website link in my description, and I would ask you guys that please take a look of these products. Go to their website, check the thorough detail, and then only get these products into your life. Just because I am telling or I am recommending, you must not buy this. Okay, just take it that, like, do you need this really in your life or not? Realize it and then only get it into your life. Okay, before talking about this product in detail, first I need to tell you, I'm not showing you because this is super easy. There is nothing to showcase that how to use this. Okay, I'm just showing you that this comes in a powder form. Just take a look, I hope you can see, and this is having a scoop like this. Okay, so this is a measurement scoop. What I do, like usually in the morning time, I go for my jogging. I do my workout, my warm-ups in the morning time, and then after post workout, I generally do consume a glass of smoothie, because that is the super easy and convenient thing, and having a full-on breakfast in the morning time, and that's definitely healthy. Now as I told you that I'm facing weight gain issue, and I'm trying to do some weight management, so I'm keeping it very simple, nutritious, and according to my diet. Okay, so what I do, I soak my oats into almond milk overnight, and post workout I just pour that overnight oats into a blender with a little bit of more almond milk, and then a scoop full of this Just Her Protein, and just blend it into a blender for 15 seconds, and this is ready to drink. And that is simple, easy, convenient, and less time consuming. Now let's talk about this in detail, guys. Firstly, I was facing a lot of things. I was facing hormonal problem. I was facing weight gain. I was having a lot of stress due to many reasons, some financial, some family, some unwanted. So you just cannot, manage your stress. That's really a very difficult thing. So I was trying to point on my daily basis health and nutrition. That way only we can calm ourselves from within, and I was trying that. So I chose this product because of many reasons. First, it has 20 gram of high quality whey protein. In order to that, it keeps you fuller for a longer period of time, and ultimately it keeps control for your unwanted cravings, and also cut those unwanted calories from your diet. And to further support your weight management, this has beneficial ingredients like green tea, garcinia, cumin, fennel. So this helps you even to keep a check on your weight. Now this is good for immunity because this has ingredients of amla and tulsi. Now stress is a thing which can definitely have a bad effect on your life, and as I told you, I was trying to keep and calm myself from within, and I'm so happy that this has ingredients of ashwagandha, chamomile, and valerian root. Now these ingredients are so good to restore your calmness from within, and that is really very important in your daily life. Being calm, being patient, not having a lot of stress makes definitely a difference into the lifestyle. And this is really good for health, and this is really good for hair and skin. I am almost consuming this about 3 months, and absolutely I'm loving this. I'm on track, I'm feeling energetic, and this definitely taking care of my hormonal issues. This is taking care of my weight management, and definitely I'm having less stress. I'm not telling that I'm not having stress, that would be a real lie, but definitely it is keeping me calmer, and yeah, that's it. And this has vitamin A, B, C, D, iron, zinc. Definitely these things keeps your hair game strong. This makes your skin healthy. Definitely you can see, yes, I have done a little bit of makeup, but my skin feels good these days. I'm not facing some bad skin and hair days nowadays, and I'm happy with this. Now this product is a clean nutrition. Why? This is soy free, this is preservative free, there is no artificial sweeteners, zero added sugar, no artificial flavors, and it is completely natural and gluten free, and overall it has only 1.4 grams of fat. So definitely I'll be recommending this to you guys to be more strong, to be more energetic, to get on track. And yeah, being a woman, we have lot of goals in our life. We have our personal life, we are mothers, we have to take care of our children, we have to take care of our family, our work. So we need definitely an extra energy to boost ourselves, and definitely the smiles, the energy, the positive vibe in ourselves, in us women, delivered to the people in the family. And that is really important. When you feel good, you can make others also feel good and positive. So that's it, guys. And one more thing, I would want to tell about this thing that this product, I really love this line and the packaging, that this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. Okay, and this is also not for medicinal use, that is written on the packaging. I really love this, that they have mentioned it. They did not exaggerated the product detail, and I absolutely love that they have a proper listing of the ingredients over here, that how much vitamin A, B, C, D, whatever ingredients it has, how much they have. They have also talked about the carbohydrate, protein and energy. Now if you are on keto diet like me, I'm on ketosis diet, because definitely it helps you to lose weight faster, but it has to be in a proper way, guys. I'm not telling you just watch YouTube videos and do your keto diet. I'll not recommend this. Please go to a dietitian if you are interested to do your keto diet properly, and then only start doing this. And I am keto diet, I'm on a proper keto diet, and this is definitely helping me to lose weight and feel more energetic. And I would say that people who are on keto diet, this product I can 100% recommend this to you guys, because this has only 1.4 gram of fat, and this is almost 6 gram of carbohydrate, which is really less. As you know that it should be high on protein and low on carb in the keto thing. But if you're not doing keto, that is also fine. This is like a superfood. This must be your health partner in your daily diet. I will be 100% recommending this Just Protein. Now once I finish this, once I am on track again, I would love to try their biotin too, because I am hearing from my friend that that is really good for skin and health and building the collagen. So I would love to also try the other products from this range. So that's it, guys. Now if you want some details and the product links, I'll be sharing all the product links, like this one and the biotin one. I'll be sharing the website link in my description. Please do check that out. And please, if you are trying to incorporate something good and healthy in your life, please let me know, and how you are managing and adjusting your life in this lockdown, taking care of your health and nutrition in proper way. And if you also have some tips for healthcare and nutrition, please do let me know. It will be also helpful for me. So that's it, guys. Again, before ending this video, I must tell you, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a health coach. I am just sharing my experience, and definitely just because I am talking about this product, this work for you, I'm not telling that this product will be working for you. Just it did for me, because all our bodies are very different, our metabolism is different. Oh, one more thing I just forgot to mention. This is really good, you're building your metabolism and digestion, because this has, as I told you, this has ingredients like Garcinia green tea, papain, fennel and cumin. All these things are so good in for your digestion and metabolism. I just lost that point to talk about. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this a little different health and nutrition talk about today. Please give a good big like on this video and share this with your friends, and also your strong woman friends who need this. Recommend this to the friends after watching and going through the website. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Keep supporting me, keep loving me. In this way we grow, we become more and more stronger and happy. That's it, guys. Until next time, take care and love you. Bye bye.